nursery. For our maths today, we are going to be looking at the 3 billy goats graph because that's been our story this week. And we have got 1, 2, 3. Can you roll out 3 fingers? 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But look what's on the bottom of each of the billy goats graph. There is a number. We can call it a numeral. That's what the number looks like. And it's written down. Number 1. Then we've got number 2 and number 3. Now, we're going to use some numbers and writing in a minute for our activity. Now, these billy goats, they've eaten all of the grass now. There's none left. So what they need now is some more food. We need to feed them. Do you think you can feed them? What should we give them to eat next? I bet you've got lots of ideas. Well, in nursery, I've got an idea here. We had some snacks this morning and we had some pears. Now, because they're sort of a green colour, I thought these billy goats would like to crunch and munch on these pears. What do you think? But before we can do that, we need to count them out and give them 1 each. Okay, so can you help me to count them out? I don't want to miss any out. I'm going to move them back to here so you can see the number and the billy goat. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we can see the number. We can see the billy goats. We can see there's 3 of them. Now we just need enough pears. I hope we've got enough. Let's have a look. Oh, ready? Oh, let me just count on my fingers and check what 3 looks like. 1, 2, 3. That's right, Mrs. Nolan. 3. Let's see. So we've got 1 for baby billy goat. 1. Oops. 4 middle-sized billy goat. And, oh, just the right number. And 1 juicy pear for big billy goat. So they've all got 1 now. Let's count them again and check. 1, 2, 3. 3 delicious pears. But I've run out of pears now. And I've got no more food for them. But they're going to be hungry again in a minute. So what we need to do is we need to write a shopping list. Your mums and dads and families, the grown-ups, might write a shopping list when they need to remember what kind of things they need to buy from the shops. And we need to write one for these billy goats because they're so hungry. So we need your help. So on one of these, can't see it very well. Ooh. Or if you've got one at home, a piece of paper or a little book to write in, I've put a number line along the top because with this, because there's only 3 billy goats, I only want 3 of everything that I buy. So it's going to be 3 of everything. Now, how can I write a number 3? What could I do? Did somebody say, look at the number 3? 1, 2, 3. There's number 3. Here's number 3. There's number 3. So I could write number 3. In fact, I'm going to turn this up the right way. Oh no, number 1's dropped off. Don't worry, we can pick it up. And pop it back on there. Okay, so we want 3 of everything. And we're going to write it on here. Now I'm going to just move these a little bit because otherwise I can't actually write. Let's move them to the side. Put their pears there. They can munch and crunch on those in a second. You go over there. Munch and crunch on that one. This is number 1. Can go there. That's better, isn't it? I can do my writing my shopping list, which is such a big job. Let's get my felt tips and my paper. And here it is. So I might have to hold it this way so you can see it. And then you can see me make my shopping list. So I've run out now of my 3 pairs. So I need 3 more pairs now. So how do we write a 3? I'm going to trace over the number 3 up here. Round the tree, round the tree. And that's the way we write a 3. So I'm going to do that again. Can you see? Round the tree, whoops, round the tree. And that's the way we make a 3. Now mine's wobbly because I couldn't see what I was doing. Let me try again. Round the tree, around the tree. That's the way we write a 3. I did it. Right, so I've got 3. I've got 3 there as well. So I'm going to write 3 pairs. I'm not quite sure how to write the word pairs. I could write in a p for pair. So I'll have a go. Pairs. Pairs. Or I could actually just draw 3 pairs. I'm going to try and do that with my green, because pears are sort of a green colour, aren't they? So you can draw 3 shapes to be 3 pairs. There's one. Not a bad shape, Mrs. Nolan. Well done. I tried my best. Remember, that's all we ask. Just try your best. That's 2. 1, 2 so far. How many more do I need to make 3? Just 1 more. How many is that? 3. Well done. 1, 2, 3. And there's number 3. 3 pairs. I wonder if I can have something else. What else would you like to eat, Billy Goats? They would like to eat 3 strawberries. Have I got a red? Oh, I might use a red for my number 3 this time. Can I remember the rhyme? Around the tree, that's the way we write a 3. That's how I can remember. So let's go around the tree. Around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. So if you pretend there's a little tree there and a little tree there and you've got to go around it. Okay, so I'm going to draw 3 strawberries this time. You see? One, 2, 3. Look at my strawberries. They look good enough to eat. We've got 1, 2, 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3. 3 strawberries, and that says 3. That's what the number 3 looks like. Well done. Right, I've got my shopping list now. Oh, I didn't write strawberries. So just so we use some of our letters, we can write 3 around the tree. Around the tree. That's the way we make a 3, and it's strawberries, which is one of our sounds that we've been learning. Strawberries is a long word. Strawberries. Can't quite see in this light. The light in this room is our quiet room. It's a bit funny. Can't hardly see. Ugh. Just about to see. There. So we've got 3 strawberries on our list. I've done my shopping list now. Right, it's time now for me to go to the shops. But you can pretend. It might be that you've got some grapes or something in your house, or some apples, and then you can write your shopping list and say, Mom, Dad, I've got to get 3 apples for the Billy Goats Gruff, because there's 1, 2, 3 Billy Goats Gruff, and I need 3 apples. I need to write it on my shopping list, and then I need to go and count them. Can you do that, children? Go and have lots of fun and make your shopping list, the Billy Goat shopping list, and do some counting and do some number writing. or draw the amounts on your shopping list if you can't quite write the number. Okay, well done, have lots of fun.